Alright, welcome to my ME370 project. The purpose of this project is to have a secure place that is inconspicuous. So you don't have any obvious electronics or locking system on the outside. Obviously this looks like just a normal nightstand. And basically what's supposed to happen is you have this RFID card underneath something, a statue, or in a book. And when you slide it over the spot where the RFID scanner is, the drawer unlocks. And in here, what we've got is we've got the Arduino, we've got a buzzer for when the input is placed incorrectly. We've got the servo motor that pulls the locking mechanism. And then we've also got these cords that come out to these little tiny tabs in the front. It looks like a staple. This is for the sleep mode. When you touch these, it turns the Arduino on, and then after you've gone through and you've locked it all, it goes back to sleep. And so in order to wake it up, you have to touch these first. Anyway, the power comes through the back and attaches inside. On the flip side of this, once I put it together, you'll have your LCD screen and your touchpad, and then these cables go to the RFID scanner underneath. And I'm going to put this all together so that it's working properly and give you a demo. Okay, we got it all put together. It's running well. So we need to take this RFID card, run it over the scanner, except right now it's in sleep mode. So it's not going to be registering anything until I tell it to come out. So when you run it over where the keypad's at, or where the RFID scanner's at, it's not going to pick anything up. It's still locked. And so you take your finger and you connect the circuit here with these two prongs, give it enough time to wake up, and then you take the card and you run it back over. It unlocks. You can slide it open. Now what it's going to ask you when you come in is it's going to ask for a password. That's just to make sure anyone who knows this has access and is supposed to be in here. So you punch in the right password. It says password accepted. And then it goes into sleep mode. And once you're done with the drawer, you press the star button, you wait a couple seconds, and then it locks. So it just locked. And then in order to wake it back up again, you'd have to touch the prongs in the front again, and then take the RFID card, run it back over the spot, comes back up, enter password. But if I do that so that I enter the wrong password, it sounds an alarm. For the purpose of the video, it's short, but you can have that go on as long as you want. And it's still running, still looking for a scan. So I can take this card, run it over again. Next time someone comes in, it will say intruder alert unless the new or the correct password has been put in. So we'll put the correct password in. It says password accepted. You push the star button, you close it. Several seconds later, it locks. And try and open it, and you're all secure.